Hey guys, well this video, I thought I should just post something kind of lighthearted, funny, before the video that comes after this. I have my driving with my grandmother my grandmother to my scouting stuff before this video, and after this video is something that's pretty hard for me to even think of right now, but I'll save that for y'all whenever y'all see tomorrow's video. So yeah, y'all got 2 videos today, and tomorrow I'll get another one. And after that, I don't know yet. Well, but this is something a little lighthearted that y'all can enjoy. All right, so have fun.
This wood sounds weird.
See, that was kind of funny, right? Well, like always, stay country. Subscribe to me. Like, comment, and follow my buddy, Standard Texas Redneck. Have a good day.